I just want to show you what's been going on with this gluten. So remember we put, I needed some dough and then washed it to get the gluten. So I just needed flour and water. And so yesterday we put half of it in water and then half of it in vinegar. And near the end of class, we looked at it again. So this is the gluten that was in the water. So it's still got its elasticity to it. It's just a little bit wet, but it's pretty elastic. Quite, it hasn't denatured. It still has its properties. And then I've got the stuff in the vinegar, and it's, what do you think has happened to it? I've just got a bowl, like it's, you know how sometimes villains get put into a vat of acid in movies? This reminds me of that. It's yeah, it, like I can't even, I can't, like I can't pull it out. Yeah, it's really gotten gross. So this is just vinegar. Like, can you imagine if I put this in a bowl of hydrochloric acid? It gets really denatured. So what's happened is hydrogen has, remember those R groups? Those H pluses, the H pluses from the acid have bonded with those R groups or messed up any of the hydrogen bonds that were happening between the amino acids in the chain. So the protein folding is not happening anymore, and so the protein has lost its function. It's just kind of turning into the parts of itself, and a protein isn't a protein till it goes through that folding, and that folding is what gives it its properties and characteristics. So pretty interesting. I might just like leave this over the weekend and see if it just completely disappears. Anyways, pretty interesting. And I think like if I was making a movie or something, I'd probably use gluten and kind of show like a horror movie kind of thing, I think, with it. You could show some gross stuff with gluten. That's the scientific term for it. Okay, I'm going to share the file now and we'll go back to our presentation.